The Ramchandi Temple, Brajnagar, is one of the most serene and spiritually significant places in western Odisha, located amidst hills, forests, and the gentle flow of the Ib River. This temple beautifully blends devotion with natural beauty. It is not just a place of worship but also a destination that attracts nature lovers and travelers. The temple is located near the Brajnagar in the district of Jharsuguda, situated at the foothills and close to the bank of the Ib River. The temple offers a beautiful and scenic environment. The surrounding greenery, rocky terrain, and flowing river create a calm atmosphere ideal for spiritual reflection. The temple is dedicated to Goddess Ramchandi, a powerful form of Ma Durga. It is believed to be an ancient site of Shakti worship and holds great importance among local devotees. The unique feature of this temple is that the deity resides inside a natural cave, giving it a mystical and sacred feel. For the people of the region, Ma Ramchandi is considered a guardian deity who protects them from evil and fulfills their wishes. Devotees visit the temple regularly to seek the blessings, especially during the important occasions. According to the local legends, during the time of the epic Ramayana, Lord Ram, along with the Sita and Lakshman, passed through this forest area during their exile. It is believed that they encountered a local goddess named Kulai Chandi. After meeting Lord Ram, the goddess took the name Ramchandi and decided to stay there to protect the region. This story adds deep mythological significance to the temple. One of the most striking aspects of Ramchandi temple is its natural setting. Surrounded by hills and forests, the temple provides a breathtaking view of the landscape. The Ib River flowing nearby enhances the beauty of the place. During the monsoon season, the water level rises and sometimes reaches near the cave, creating dramatic and picturesque scene. The cave shrine itself gives visitors a sense of mystery and spiritual depth, making the visit truly memorable. The temple becomes lively and vibrant during major Hindu festivals such as Navaratri, both Chaitra and Ashwina, Ram Navami. During this occasion, large number of devotees gather at the temple. Special prayers, rituals, and fairs are organized, creating a festive and devotional atmosphere. The temple area is filled with chants, music, and cultural activities. Earlier, reaching the temple was quite difficult, as visitors had to climb through natural paths and tree roots. However, today proper steps have been constructed, making it easier for pilgrims and tourists to reach the shrine. The temple is well connected by a road and can be easily accessed by 2 or 4-wheeler from nearby towns. Apart from its religious significance, Ramchandi temple is also a popular tourist and picnic spot. Visitors come here to enjoy the calm and peaceful environment, scenic views of the hills and river, a break from city life. It is an ideal place for those seeking both spiritual peace and natural beauty. Ramchandi temple in Brajnagar stands as a symbol of faith, tradition, and natural charm. With its mythological roots, cave shrine, and beautiful surroundings, it offers a unique experience to every visitor, whether you are a devotee or a traveler. A visit to this temple leaves you with a sense of peace and spiritual fulfillment.